Hi, welcome back to DIY Chip Daddy. Today is a quick video how I fix the laptop cooler pad because it's making a lot of noise on this one. And what I did is I just used this Zoom Spout Oil, and this for the machine oil for motor, and I just open this up by using a razor blade. There's a label right here, so just remove this, and you see this hole, and after that you just drop one drop of oil into it and turn it back on, connect the power, turn it back on so the oil will distribute inside, and you will be very quiet again. So this is a laptop cooling pad which I put under my old laptop. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. So you just use a razor blade and remove the label right here. Oops. And all you have to do is just put one drop of oil, and then after that you put it back and let it spin to distribute to everywhere, and your laptop cooler will be quiet again. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now. So quiet. Thank you for watching.